In this video, we are going to talk about 10 superfood that help you detoxify your body. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Food is truly the finest medicine when it comes to ridding your body of toxic pollutants. Many of your favorite meals also help to cleanse the body's detoxification organs, including as the liver, intestines, kidneys, and skin, which helps to prevent hazardous toxin buildup. With tasty fruits, vegetables, nuts, oils, and legumes, you may help fight pollution, food additives, secondhand smoke, and other poisons. Blueberries, considered one of the most potent healing foods, include natural aspirin, which helps to reduce the tissue-damaging effects of chronic inflammation while also reducing pain. Here are 10 superfoods that help you detoxify your body. So let's start. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic has long been known for its heart health benefits, but the pungent food can also help the body detox. Garlic is antiviral, antibacterial, and antibiotic in addition to containing allicin, a molecule that encourages the development of white blood cells and aids in the battle against toxins. Garlic is best eaten fresh, so add some crushed garlic to a salad dressing to enhance the flavor while also improving your health. Number 9. Artichoke. Steamed globe artichoke leaves are a terrific approach to help your body get back on track if you've lately overindulged in fatty foods and alcohol. Globe artichokes are high in antioxidants and fiber, and they can also aid in the digestion of fatty foods. Furthermore, the globe artichoke is well known for its capacity to activate and boost the functioning of the liver, which is the body's primary toxin-fighting organ. Number 8. Green tea. No detox strategy is complete without drinking enough water. Green tea is an excellent strategy to increase your fluid intake and keep your organs healthy. Green tea is an antioxidant-rich weight loss drink. Green tea may also help prevent fatty liver disease, according to research. Number 7. Beetroot. Beetroot is great for a rapid health boost. The superfood is packed with magnesium, iron, and vitamin C. Beetroot is good for skin, hair, and cholesterol levels, and it supports liver detoxification, making it the best detox food. Raw beetroot can be added to salads or made into juice. Number 6. Ginger. If fatty food or alcohol have produced digestive issues, ginger may help. Ginger reduces nausea and improves digestion, bloating, and gas. Ginger's antioxidants stimulate the immune system. Ginger tea or juice can aid digestion. Number 5. Lemon. Lemons are a cornerstone of many detox regimens. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is good for the skin and fights free radicals. Citrus fruit has an alkaline effect on the body, which boosts the immune system. Hot water and lemon can help flush toxins and cleanse your system. Number 4. Fresh fruit. Fresh fruits are low in calories, abundant in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, and an important part of a detox diet. If you want brighter eyes, skin, hair, and digestion, eat more fruit. Start your day with a fruit salad or smoothie, then nibble on fruit throughout the day. Number 3. Brown rice. If you want to cleanse your system and boost your health, it is a good idea to cut down on processed foods. Instead, try supplementing your diet with healthier whole grains such as brown rice, which is rich in many key detoxifying nutrients including B vitamins, magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus. Brown rice is also high in fiber, which is good for cleansing the colon, and rich in selenium, which can help to protect the liver as well as improving the complexion. Number 2. Watercress. Like most green herbs and vegetables, watercress is an excellent health booster and detox food. Firstly, watercress leaves are packed with many vital detoxifying nutrients, including several B vitamins, zinc, potassium, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Secondly, watercress has natural diuretic properties, which can help to flush toxins out of the body. To reap the benefits of this nutritious food, try adding a handful of watercress to salads, soups, and sandwiches. Number 1. Cabbage. Many celebs have resorted to the cabbage soup diet to help them lose weight and get in shape quickly before a big event. However, cabbage is not only good for weight loss, it is also excellent detoxifying food. Like most cruciferous vegetables, including broccoli and sprouts, cabbage contains a chemical called sulforaphane, which helps the body fight against toxins. Cabbage also supplies the body with glutathione, an antioxidant that helps improve the detoxifying function of the liver. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.